Hi, this is Michelle from Undemandly, and today we're taking a look at promo codes for Hungryroot. Hungryroot is a unique food delivery service that offers grocery delivery as well as simple recipes. One thing I really love about it is their new user offer, which gives you $40 off when you use a promo code during sign-up. Today we're going to reveal the best promo code for Hungryroot and show you how to redeem it. If you're enjoying this video, feel free to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Okay, let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is go to hungryroot.com or use the link below this video to get started. Tap the sign up or take the quiz button to start the sign up process. You'll need to follow the instructions and enter the promo code MTYVY6C2 when it prompts you. Okay, that wraps it up. I hope you enjoyed our video. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time.